Are you a foodie person? If yes, then this channel is for you. This channel will bring you many more sweet, khatta mitta, namkeen, delicious foods. Yes, this is Kurkure Muchmushi. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video in this channel. Hope this channel will help you to bring new dishes in your kitchen. Today I am going to prepare posto chal kumro, that is pumpkin with poppy seeds. Poppy seeds is very delicious and a source of calcium also, and this is very tasty dish. I am going to prepare this in a pure vegetarian way. You can prepare this on in non-veg also. Today I am bringing you a vegetarian dish, purely vegetarian dish. Who are vegetarian and watching my video can prepare this in your kitchen. Hope this will help you and bring a new dish in your dining table. This is very difficult to bring new dishes in dining table, so that I am bringing every day a new dish in your kitchen from my kitchen. So we can be friend like this. For this I am heating a pan. Before that I slice the pumpkins in small pieces, and how I slice I am showing, and I just spilled a little bit of salt and turmeric, and this is poppy seeds, and I shall make you a paste in this poppy seeds, so that this preparation can be completed. This is how I am shallow frying the pumpkin pieces. This is very tasty food. For preparing any tasty food we have to have patience. So I am frying this in low flame after covering the kadhai or pan, and this is my first lot. After that I will put the second lot of pumpkin, and I also frying this pumpkin in slow flame, low flame, and in slow process. In slow process the pumpkin will fully cooked and the aroma will come. When the aroma come, you can understand that the pumpkin is cooked. After that I will put some methi dana for enhancing the aroma. With with poppy seeds paste, the methi dana combination is perfect. And for making the paste I am putting a piece of tomato, 2 chili flakes. Tomato is a tricks for pasting the poppy seeds. When we paste the poppy seeds with a little bit of water, and tomato helps to make the paste smooth, and I put the methi dana in same well. I will prepare this dish with a very low consumption of oil, because oil is not so good for our health. And I am after putting the methi dana, I sauteed the methi dana in the oil, and put the pumpkin pieces, and also put the poppy seeds paste. And after discharging the oil, you will find that the dish is purely cooked and ready for to serve. So
After
please stay tuned
preparation,
with my
cooking
channel
after
and
full cook,
subscribe my
you
channel,
can
so
give
that
dhania patta
all the videos
for
I bring
enhancing
in
the
this
aroma.
channel came
So
to your
thanks for
mobile
watching my
at
channel.
the first.
This
Thank
is
you for watching.
posto chal
Bye
kumra
bye.
with posto. Thanks.